of the more difficult parts of being an international student is not being able to see your family for prolonged periods of time. So before my arrival in the US, the longest I've been away from my family was 2 weeks when I traveled to Thailand. But ever since I arrived in the US, it meant that I wouldn't be seeing my family for a very long time. I arrived in the US in 2017, and the first time I could see my family was in 2019, so I haven't seen them for 2 years. But even then, I decided to make a surprise trip, so nobody knew that I was arriving in Ashgabat. And the following is the video of my mom meeting me after 2 years of not seeing me.
Alian. Alian.
Nereden çıktın? Bu Allah'ım.
Olli syns med på käften.
Burada korkam alleen elime. Daar wordt.
Mamma canım. Anam. Canım. Kocam.
Wanneer vooruit de douche en dan dat